Hey everybody, in this lesson I am going to go over how to take a rigid body simulation we have here in Houdini and export an Alembic cache to bring it into Maya to be able to work with it there. If you want to learn the process of creating this effect that we have here with all of the rigid bodies and the actual simulation, I do have a tutorial. Let's pop up the iCard now, and I'll also put the link in the description. But anyways, let's get started. So if we are in our object level here, we have the rigid body blocks right here. You can double click on it and we have our rigid bodies. So if I play through it, we should see that it does everything that we are expecting from them. Okay, so I'm going to go here at the bottom and I'm going to create a ROP Alembic output node. There we go. So I'm going to want to do a frame range, and we can see that it sets up the frame range there. Current take, I don't have any takes, so that's fine. And then Alembic file, let's just create it on the desktop. This is our block. Export .abc. And that's the file format for an Alembic cache. Okay, and then I'm just going to keep all the settings the same there. Then I'm going to tell it to save to disk. And we can see it's going through and caching out the frames so that we can use it inside of Maya. So let's open up Maya. I have it here. And I want to bring that into the scene. So on the top menu here, we have cache, and then we have Alembic cache. We can open an Alembic cache or we can import it. Both of them will bring it into the scene. If we open an Alembic cache, it's going to close the current scene and bring it into a new scene. If we import the Alembic cache, it's going to import it into the current scene rather than creating a new one. So I'm just going to open it, go to desktop, block export.abc. And then let's expand out, and we have the blocks there. You can see it's loading it here. Should go all the way up to 240. And then once it does, I will play it so that you guys can see that it's all here inside of Maya now. All the geometry has been imported and is simulating the way we would expect it, just like it did in side of Houdini. And at this point it's just geometry and it's being animated and moving around. There's no actual like physics or simulation anymore. It's just the movement now. So that's how you achieve everything that we are trying to achieve with exporting the Alembic cache. I hope you guys found this useful. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.